Will, do you eat your fish that you catch? So when we go fishing to eat. Yeah, they're good for children, Dee, because they can see their bones. Let's have a look out this way. What's going on out this way? And we've got another boatie out there. Oh, mackerel. See, Dan loves mackerel. I don't like mackerel. It's too fishy. But Dan loves it, don't you, Dan? Hey, Violet. G'day and welcome to Australia. What's going on, babe? My line, that's my rod, Dan Scott. G'day, Violet, and thanks for coming fishing with us. I hope you're well. Let's have a look at this island. Oh, what's going on? Dan's doubled up. He's on, fish on. Woohoo! What you got? What you got? Oh, another bluey. Too small. Why are these fish so bloody small? That's right, Henry. Yeah, true, Stuart. At least we are catching, but it's devastation as finest when we're out here fishing to eat and we have to throw them back in, but you've got to know your rules. Otherwise, the biggest fines, the fisheries will take your house, your car and your boat off you. So you've got to know your rules. You've got to know your size limits, your sizes and your limits. How many blueies are we allowed, babe, according to Tackle World? We're allowed to catch 6 blueies. So that's what we've been catching, but they're too small. How big do they have to be, babe? 30. Pardon?
30 centimetres.
30 centimetres. So we've also caught sweet lip, a grassy emperor. So how many of those are we allowed to catch? 10. And what's their size?
30.
30 as well. So they've got to be 30. We can catch 10 of them.
You catch them a centimetre under.
Yeah, we catch them around about 28 centimetres. And no matter how hard you fluff them out, they just don't reach 30. That's devastating. But oh well. Got to follow the rules.